Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today I have for you a cash stuffing. We are going to be stuffing our bills, subscriptions, and cash envelope binders. We will be using a mix of prop money along with real money. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to my channel and stick around for the rest of this video. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so my husband got paid on Friday, which means we've got some money to stuff for our bills. As usual, his income will be in all prop money. I should also note that it is a little bit lower than normal due to the fact that we are using part of his paycheck to pay back our credit card for his recent trip. So in prop money today, we are going to be stuffing $1,267 into our bills binder. So first up is going to be mortgage. Mortgage is going to get $379. So $300, $350, $370, $375, $76, $77, $78, $79. And this should fully fund our mortgage for the month of June. But let's go ahead and get this all organized in here and just double check that I have done my math correctly. So prop money is new to me, and I will say the only thing that I don't like about it, well, obviously, is the fact that it does not have nearly the same ease as real money when it comes to the feel and counting it, but I'm getting used to it. I just like having this visual representation for me so that I can kind of see where our budget's at. So let's make sure that we have our mortgage payment in here, which should be about $1,448. So we've got $1,100, $200, $300, $350, $400, $420, $430, $435, $440, $41, $42, $43, $44, $45, $46, $47, $48. Yep. So we have the entire mortgage payment ready for the 1st of June. Next up is our envelope for our HOA, which is our HOA payments plus our water bill. Our water bill is every other month, so I think I'm going to try and stuff a little bit in there for water each of his paychecks. So today we are going to be putting $525 in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25. So that means that our HOA payments are fully funded for June, plus we have a little bit extra money in here for our water bill that won't be due until July. Next up is T-Mobile. That gets $218. So 200, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. And now that is fully funded for June, not July, June. Right, next up is PayPal, and that is getting $29. And that is now fully funded for June. And I am only making the minimum payments on PayPal. Well, I say minimum, the minimum that doesn't accrue interest, which is just the regular minimum payment right now. The only thing that is on there is our Disney vacation. And it's just for the resort because we rented the DVC. But I'm stuffing for that in one of my sinking funds, and it is not going to get any interest until October. So I have October to pay that off. Next up is electric. So I haven't gotten the electric bill yet for June. I'm guessing it's going to be somewhere around $75, which is what I'm going to stuff in here today. It might be a little bit more because we have kind of had a little bit of a heat wave recently. But I can always change this out later if need be. And so I'm just going to put the remaining $41 towards natural gas. This bill should not be high at all. It's probably going to be between $30 and $40. So whatever is extra in here, I can also put towards electric if need be. So that is it. We are stuffed up until natural gas for June. So all we have to worry about is going to be car loan. Cable for May still hasn't come out along with the rest of these in here. But we are getting closer and closer to being that full month ahead, y'all. And I'm getting super excited for it. So that's going to be it for our bills and for my husband's income. So we are going to move on to the real money and my income that we are stuffing for the rest of this. So right here, we should have $506 in cash. So let's just go ahead and double check that. We've got 50, 100, 150. We've got 20, 40, 60, 81. So that is now 250, 20, 40, 60, 81. So that is 350, 370, 390, 410, 420, 430, 440, 450, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 500, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. So we have $506 from my income to stuff for the rest of this. Oh, and y'all, I was not writing down everything as we were going there. So let me go back over here and just write what we have in each of these envelopes. Luckily, most of these were empty, so this is easy for me to go ahead and fill in real quick. All right, so when I was filling this out, y'all, I forgot about taxes over here in the bill binder. So it's down at the bottom, but we are stuffing $45 towards taxes today. And if y'all didn't watch my last video, I am stuffing 5% of my tipped income into taxes each week. And that's just because I know I owe at the end of every week, or at the end of every year for taxes. So I'm trying to stuff 5% of my tips away. That way I have this money come tax time. And then hopefully if I have a little bit extra, I can just, you know, pretend it's a tax return. That's my plan. All right, so let's see what we have in here so far. We have 50, 70, 90, 110, 130, 150, 170, 190, 95, 200, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 211. And remember, I did have to use some of this money to pay last year's taxes, so that's why it's only at this small spot. But that's it for our bill binder. Now we're gonna pull out our subscription binder. Jim is going to get $10, so we're gonna do 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now for Jim, we have 10, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. All right, iCloud is fully funded for the payment for July, so we're skipping that. Next up is Amazon. Now, right now, Amazon is due in like a little over a month, and I've got some, I need to fill this out. So we are going to be filling out 3 of the little prime little spaces here. These are each worth $7. So we are going to be stuffing a total of $21 today. And I just want to kind of try and get this fully funded for that payment here soon. Yeah, I just colored in 3, right? Yeah. All right, so we're going to pull $21 for Amazon. And now here we've got 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. So $78, and it is $139. So we're getting there. We're getting there. I think that's good progress. All right, 78. And that's it for our subscription binder today. I wanted to put a majority of that focus towards Amazon. And next up is going to be our cash envelopes. We're going to start with my personal envelope. As always, I'm going to get $25. And I now have 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So $123. I think I'm gonna treat myself to some cute shirts. I need to use my clothing sinking fund for new shorts and stuff for work, but I think I'm gonna use this to treat myself to a couple cute outfits too. Next up is my husband. He is getting $25. And he now has 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, which means he is fully funded for June. He does like getting his money at the beginning of each month. So I deposit this into his personal checking account around the 1st of each month. Next up is groceries. Groceries is going to be getting $200 today. So we've got 150, 170, 190, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 200. So now for groceries, we have 50, 100, 50, 70, 90, 210, 15, 20, 25, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. So $233 for groceries. That'll be good because I know we need to stock up on a couple things this week. All right, next up is gas. I did go ahead and bump this one up because, as everyone knows, gas prices are still rising, and they literally went up 25 cents overnight recently for us in our area. So I'm going to be stuffing $60 in there. So now for gas, we are at 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 108. Next up is pet care. Pet care is going to be getting $40. And they are now at 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84. And dining, we had been stuffing $100, but we are trying to, you know, beef up some of our sinking funds and savings challenges. And we do have our vacation time coming up here soon. So I didn't want to stuff the full $100. I want to try to, you know, not go out, or if we go out, to like do something like quick, like appetizers and drinks, and not spend too much money. So we're only going to do $50 today. So we're going to do 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So now in dining, we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, $70. And that should be plenty. All right, 70. And fun, we are going to be putting $20 towards fun today. So now for fun, we have 10, 20, 25, $30. And miscellaneous is going to get our last $10, but let's just double check that that's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. And now in miscellaneous, we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. All right, and that is it for all of our binders today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's video. We'll be doing our sinking funds and savings challenges along with our Disney binder. And then on Wednesday, we are going to be stuffing, I'm sorry, not Wednesday. On Thursday, we are going to be stuffing our side hustle income for the month of May. And I'm super excited for that video. It's my best month yet. And I'm just so excited to share it with y'all. All right. I hope y'all are enjoying your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.